back to my channel. Welcome back to B Tutorials. Today we'll be looking at how you can do crypto market analysis and make profit every day without going lost. Okay, so all you just need to do, you make your choice of any exchanges you're using, and I will show you bit by bit on how to do a proper coin analysis on coin market app. Okay, so that you can make a lot of profit trading crypto. Okay, as you can see, there are a lot of coins here. There are over 2 million coins on crypto that you can trade and make a lot of profit for yourself. So what you're going to do now, make sure you have a verified app. Yeah, any of the exchange app of your choice, just have a verified one, and let's do this. Okay, before I quickly go into that, I would like to beg you to subscribe to my channel if you have not done that. If this is your first time coming across to the channel, please subscribe, like the videos, and as well share the videos. And if you are returning viewers, don't forget to like and don't forget to give it a thumb. Don't forget to share it. Sorry. So what we're going to do now, make sure you have a coin market app, and I'll show you what to do. Okay. So if you have a coin market app and you have a verified Binance or a verified Bybit or a verified Conceive or a verified OKX, and a lot any exchange that you have that is verified, just do this with it. Okay, so let's go. What we're going to do now is come to this place and look for coin market app. Okay, coin market app. This is the coin market app. I'll click on it. If you click on it, allow it to open. Okay, if it opens, it will be something of this very nature. Okay, this is the interface of coin market app. Okay, it's a coin that is very friendly to use. It's an app that is very friendly to use. So all you just need to do currently is go to exchange. Go to exchange. This is the exchange. So if you come to an exchange here, make your choice of exchange. Maybe you are using Nice Hash, maybe you are using BitTrade, you are using Delta, you are using Buddha, you are using IndoX, you are using altcoin trader. Okay, check. So you look for a particular exchange that you are using here. Okay, you look for a particular exchange that you're using here and just pick it up. Okay, you can see there are a lot of exchanges here. Okay, you have a lot of exchanges here. So, but for the sake of this very tutorial, I'm going to choose Binance. So you click on Binance. So any coin that's available on Binance will appear here automatically. Okay, any coin that is available on Binance spot trading here will appear here. Okay, you can see BTC USDT. Okay, they're very high. You can see TRB, you can see ICP, you can see SOL, which is Solana, you can see FDUSD, you can see USDC, you can see BNB USDT, you can see FIL, FIL, you can see ODI. Wow, ODI is really doing well. ODI is really doing well. Okay, you can see ARB, you can see SHEI, you can see OP, you can see NFP. Okay, NFP is one of these new coin that is highly moving. So we'll make a choice of a coin now. Let's say we're taking NFP. Okay, if you take NFP now, you can see in this depth, you see plus 2% depth. Okay, you see plus 2% depth by your right hand side here, by your left hand side here, sorry, and you see by your left hand side here, you see plus 2% depth, and by your right hand side here, you see minus 2% depth. Okay, you can see this plus 2% debt. These people are selling the market when the market is plus 2%. Okay, which is the positive side, the left hand side. And the right hand side here will enter this market when the market is minus 2% debt. You can see it. Okay, now you check plus 2% debt and minus 2% debt, which people are much more higher. Okay, these people will sell when the market is plus 2%, and these people will sell when the market, sorry, these people will enter the market when the market is minus 2% lower than this rate. Okay, what is showing us currently is 0.9310. That's the current price of NFP. Okay, these people will sell when it's 0.95, and these people will enter the market when it's 0.91. Now you see the difference, or 0.9. Now you see the difference. Okay, so the volume here is the volume at the right hand side, at the left hand side, sorry, is $106.12 million. It has liquidity of 652. Okay, and this minus people has what? Volume 1.16%. Okay, so you check which people is greater. Is it Mr. A or Mr. B? Mr. A is the left hand side, Mr. B is the right hand side. So which person is greater? Okay, so from my statistics here, from my calculations here, the Mr. B side is greater. So on this occasion, definitely the exchange is going to go by the Mr. B because they are greater. So what I advise you do, place your place your trade at minus 2%. Enter the market at minus 2%. Okay, if you enter the market at minus 2%, you will join from there, and when it's plus 2%, you sell. Okay, that is, it's going to go down by minus 2%, which is going to be definitely 0.91 or 0.90, and sell when it comes back to this very volume. What do you think? I think this is a great opportunity for you to start making a lot of money online. Okay, so let's go do this statistic. Let's go to Binance and practice this exactly so that I can see it. So you come to this place. NFP is one of the new coin. Okay, click on NFP. Okay, it's one of the new coin that was listed recently. As you can see, NFP is on a down lane. Okay, NFP is on a what? It's on a down lane. So at this very time, what you're going to do is click on buy. Click on buy, and as I said, place your bets below what? Place your bet minus below this very volume at minus 2%. Let's say now you come to this very volume and delete it and place it at maybe 1. If you like, I can make it 111. Okay, then come to this place, use your volume to buy. If you have 100 USDT or 1000 USDT, use it to buy, so that whenever this trade now drop to 0.91111, your trade will peak. So the moment you click on buy, you appear at the order here. So the moment the price drop to where you want to buy, it will pick your trade. And once it pick your trade, you watch. If it goes back to, you sell when it go back to this same volume, or when it goes back to 0.03, when it go back to 0.93, you sell for profit. You see? So this is very, very simple and easy. So check it out, do your own analysis, but I advise you do this same way. Do your own analysis, follow any of the exchange you are using, come to coin market app and make your analysis. With this, believe me, you can turn your $10 to $1,000 within the week. Okay, so I don't want the video to be too long. For the sake of the tutorial, I would like to stop here for today. In my next class, we'll be choosing another exchange that we can use so that you can quickly understand what we're talking about. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for being with me. Don't forget to like, don't forget to share, and if you are new, don't forget to subscribe. If you are returning viewers and you have not yet subscribed, please do well to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for sticking to the end of the video. I will see you in my next video. Bye.